In this video, I would like to draw your attention towards the new pipe operator. R version 4.1 has released in May 2021. In this version, R has added a native pipe operator, the pipe character and greater sign, which insert the left-hand side as the first argument in the right-hand side call. RStudio has recently added support for R 4.1. And now we could use Command-Shift-M in macOS or Ctrl-Shift-M in Windows to insert pipes. To enable the Insert Pipe command in RStudio, go to Preferences in macOS or Options in Windows. In the Code section, Editing tab, check the Use Native Pipe Operator option. In the previous video, I have deliberately used the old pipe operator, % greater than and %, because that pipe operator has been quite popular since the Maritar package introduced the pipe to R in 2014. From now on, we are going to use the native pipe operator. That means we need to be using R version 4.1 or newer and RStudio version 1.4 or newer. I'm Mohammad Sahib Honar, and thanks for watching everyone.